If you are fortunate enough to be in a position to order one of the Lamy 2000 Pine limited editions for 2024, you will find a large box like this, well made, and inside it another large box. Looks very similar actually, doesn't it? Equally well made, marked Lamy. And when you open up, you will see this. Not very exciting yet. But then you move this bit of paper and you see this magnificent notebook. There we are. The paper is 120 gram. It is magnificent. It is beautifully bound. And I'm sure it's worth a fortune. But the reason you've got it is because you've been sensible enough to purchase one of the Lamy 2000 Pine Special Edition fountain pens. Now, the Lamy 2000 is, without much doubt, one of the great fountain pens of the world. It was designed probably 63, 64, 65, something like that, by Gert Muller, very famous designer. Previously, he'd done a lot of household appliances, mixers, razors, that sort of thing. Very famous Braun razor. In fact, he worked for Braun for several years. Then he came to Lamy and he rethought the fountain pen. And this is back in 1966. And he came up with the Lamy 2000. And as you can see, it is still one of the most modern, contemporary looking designs you could have for a fountain pen. If you're going to design a modern, cutting edge looking pen, you would probably wind up, I'm afraid, with the Lamy 2000. This is a special edition, and it celebrates Gert Muller to some extent, because tucked under here is a biography of Gert Muller, a sort of design biography. Tells you what he designed. But I wonder if this wasn't his highest achievement. It is an almost perfect design, sort of gently tapering cylindrical shape. Very, very pleasing. When you uncap it, I mean, it's just beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. The brush steel section feels wonderful. There is an ink window here. These couple of little ears sometimes annoy people. I've never noticed them get in the way when I'm writing. I'm just not sure don't know they're there. It's a piston filler made as in 1966 with a material called Macrolon, which at the time was cutting edge. Brand new sort of fiberglassy material. And as you can see, it's a piston filler. There we are. So, they brought out 5,058 of these, 58th anniversary. It's a beautiful colour and is probably going to sell out, I should think, over time. We've got a few, not as many as some, but we're hoping we'll sell out of them. Well, not all of them, because actually I'm having one. This is my favourite at the moment. I've got a couple of other of the limited editions. I have the brown one and I've got the blue one, and they're somewhere safe. But this is it. This is the Lamy 2000 Special Edition Pine, the 2024 Special Edition, and it's gorgeous. This is John Hall from Right Here Pens, where you can buy these for the time being, saying thank you very much for watching. If you've enjoyed this, actually hit the thumbs up button. You could even subscribe, you never know. Thanks very much indeed.